Shop floor traceability, intralogistics, inbound and outbound. From raw materials to component identification, from finished products traceability to customer delivery, real-time visibility throughout these steps is crucial for an efficient and effective supply chain. Introducing the all-new Powerscan 9600 from Datalogic. Built for demanding shop floor and intralogistics environments, ultra-rugged and durable, minimizing long-term maintenance, up to 20% more productivity when compared to other scanners in the same category. Wireless charging significantly reduces total cost of ownership. Forget about downtime resulting from damaged or dirty charging pins, even in harsh working conditions. Choose the more reliable Powerscan 9600, lowering maintenance requirements and reducing the TCO by up to 15%. Future-proof your investment. The modular base station with interchangeable communication modules is system upgrade ready, minimizing additional stock requirements. Embedded industrial connectivity reduces the risk of communication failure, leading to typical cost savings of up to €5,000 per year. Radio frequency interference in large and harsh intralogistics environments often impacts Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, resulting in data transmission failure. Datalogic's proprietary Star radio network guarantees interference-free, reliable, secure, and long-range communication together with real-time display feedback for error-free operation. Productivity downtime is no longer a problem with typical savings of up to €7,500 per year. The Powerscan 9600 combines class-leading durability, flexibility, and reliability in a single unit. Smart feedback on performance predictability and remaining battery life further ensures unbeatable total cost of ownership. The all-new Powerscan 9600 puts real power in your hands. Powerscan 9600 series, when top flexibility meets extreme reliability.